Hi, I'm Professor Hall, and this is Medical Microbiology 2420, and the lab that we're going to talk about today is the Glo Germ Handwashing Lab. So what the Glo Germ Handwashing Lab is all about is learning how to wash your hands properly. And Glo Germ, or Glo Gel, is a product that was developed in 1968 to actually help people learn how to wash their hands. So people in hospitals or in food service or something like that, we could actually use this particular product to actually teach them how to wash hands in labs that are similar to this one. So what we're going to do, or actually what Glo Germ does, is it simulates microbes on a surface. So there are no microbes in here, but instead there's little tiny plastic beads that are so small you can't really feel them. So it's a lotion that contains these beads, and they simulate the microbes that would be on your hands. So there's no bacteria in here. What you do is you take this, spread it all over your hands, then go through some type of cleaning procedure like washing your hands or swabbing or something like that. And then the procedure is evaluated by how much of the Glo Germ is left behind after washing your hands or using some type of treatment procedure. So what we're going to be doing today is something very similar. On your table, what you're going to have is you're going to have one bottle of Glo Germ, which make sure you want to shake that up before you use it. And you're going to have a couple of black lights, like this one. So that's what you're going to have on your table. Then, for the procedure, in your group, you're already in groups of 4, but you're going to number yourselves off 1 through 4. So you're going to have a 1, 2, 3, and a 4. So the designated people will apply Glo Germ and follow the particular procedure we have going on. That procedure is, person number 1 should simply apply Glo Germ to their hands and not do anything else. Don't wash it off or anything like that. Person number 2 applies Glo Germ, let it dry, then wash your hands normally for 6 seconds. Those 6 seconds means that your hands are in the water washing, and time it out for 6 seconds. You then dry your hands normally with a paper towel, and then we'll observe them under the black light. Person number 3 applies Glo Germ, lets it dry, and then wash not for 6 seconds but for 20 seconds. So again, wash normally, timing it out for 20 seconds, and then dry with a paper towel. Person number 4, you're not going to apply Glo Germ at all, but instead you're going to shake hands with person number 1. So that's what each person is doing. Once we go through all these steps, we're going to actually use the black light to examine each person's hand to see how much Glo Germ is left behind. And you have a few questions to answer in your lab handout, so make sure you have that with you on the first day as well. Thanks, I'll see you later.